Hey, my friends, welcome to another vlog. I am going to cook some food tonight. It's going to be quick, it's going to be cheap, and it's going to be now because I'm hungry. All day has been a day. So I'm going to make beef kielbasa with spaghetti sauce. You know, spaghetti with spaghetti. I'm gonna make this a spaghetti sauce. So come on along. This is what we having for dinner tonight. Kielbasa. I'm putting a little oil in the pan on my nice clean stove that I cleaned today. And I'm gonna put some onion. Some onion. Oh, let's not dirty up the stove before we, but this is not dirty. I'll clean it. I'll wipe it down. I don't need much onion. We're gonna put some peppers. That's my sloppiness. I'm just throwing them everywhere. Look, they ending up everywhere. Right? That's no good. I'm gonna pick these up. Ouch. The grill is hot. The grill is hot. That's enough. You don't want much. We don't want much in it. I put all my utensils away when I was cleaning. So I don't got no knives, no forks, no nothing. The peppers are in the pan. Now we're gonna throw the sausage in there with them. I'm looking at this pan. It should be big enough though. It should be big enough. Because all I'm going to do is pour some sauce on it. So we're going to let them get a little toasty. You know, get some char to them. And then we're going to make, while that's charring up, I'm going to get the sauce and I'm going to look for the pots so I can make the spaghetti. I'm making two kinds because my niece eat wheat and we don't. So I'm gonna make white and wheat noodles. So we cooking this up. I'm gonna put a little seasoning in it. I don't want it too salty. So I'm gonna use some of my garlic and herb to go with the vegetables that's in it. So that's it. That's all I'm putting in it. Oh, you know what I'm gonna put in it though? Because it's supposed to be spaghetti, right? I'm gonna put a little parsley, Italiano seasoning in it. Italiano seasoning. There we go. So we're gonna let it cook up. I'm gonna get the sauce ready. Then I'm gonna get the pots for the spaghetti. I'm using Hunt's pasta sauce, garlic and herb. I'm gonna wash the top of the pan And I'm going to stand right here and docket it up in front of you guys because I don't feel like moving the camera so much. So, can y'all see this? I'm going to get this little measuring cup. The water is boiling. I mean, it's not boiling yet, but I got it cooking. I got the water cooking. We're going to use one of these big ones, not this little one. This is basil. I'm just going to break up a little bit to give it a little bit of that taste in here. Because you know it already got garlic and herb, it says, right? So I'm going to put a little Italian seasoning in it. I don't want too much. I'm going to put a little Italian seasoning and some sugar in it. And I'm going to pour it on the sausage. I cook a little bit of every. I cook with sugar. See, that ain't much. That ain't much at all, people. That ain't much. That ain't much. So now we're gonna stir it up. I'm gonna taste it. I think they could use a little more sugar. All right. I ain't gonna put no more. That should be enough. See how nicely these looking? They toasted. Look at the bottom of the pan. We're gonna pour some of this sauce on here and glaze that pan with all them good flavors. I'm gonna cut the fire down. We're gonna get a top. And we're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let it cook up. You know, it'll be done. When, see, that's why I don't put my stuff away, because it was so easy to get the top. I'm gonna rinse it though. And I'm gonna put it on that meat right there. And we're gonna let it cook down. So while that's simmering very lowly, I got it simmering low. I'm gonna get my spaghettis ready. Put it in the pot. It's white now, because you know I just cleaned this stove. I just put some elbow grease in it. Okay. Here's the spaghetti. So, see? It's bubbling up. Here's my house phone again. I cut it off. So it'll stop ringing. Okay, I got my spaghettis all broke up. The water's boiling. I'm gonna drop them in here. If some get mixed up, they just get mixed up. Got to put a little oil in them so they don't stick. So this is coming along. Look at there. Don't worry, when it's done, I'm gonna taste it because I'm hungry. Me, senorita, is hungry. All right, those are cooking. My plate is fixed. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it. Alrighty, let's get the tasting. So, fam, friends of mine, my friends, this is quick, this is easy, and it's affordable. You know, spaghetti costs nothing in the store. Actually, I think I got these from the pantry, but the sausage is like $4 a pack, maybe. So it's gonna feed a family of 3 for under $10. So let's taste it. It's hot. You see it smoking? It's hot, it's hot. I put some Parmesan cheese on it because that's how I like it. Let's taste it. It's good. It's really good. Yep. So make this easy dinner for your family. I can make it. You definitely can make it. It's so simple. Cut up the kielbasa. Put in the pan. I put it in there with some onions and pepper. I seasoned it. It's seasoned perfect. I even re-seasoned the sauce that I use because I like mine a little sweet. So it's tasting just nice. So make this for your family. Quick and easy. It can feed your family. So if you made it to the end of the vlog, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and comment. Even hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm putting up a new video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.